So I was working on this Porsche Cayenne and doing the clay on the paint, and got over to the driver's side and felt the rough areas. So the passenger side wasn't rough like this one. And then I went down the side of the door and realized that it may potentially have overspray on it. And lo and behold, it looks like it's hard to see, but because it's white and this little yellow tan looking specks right in here, but it's all here, right in here, basically all down the side of at least the front door and potentially the rear door. So yeah, so it's all down here. So no, the customer didn't know it was there. I definitely didn't know it was there. I thought it was just regular grime when I was testing the car, when I first started detailing it. But this is what happened when you get the car clean, and particularly with white paint, you can start seeing what's going on. But I can't focus on it, but the whole side of this, the bottom portion. Got my trusty dusty clay. Let's get going. But you look at here, you know what this is? Road paint, and I should have known because I saw this. But that's what it is. Road paint is yellow, but it's coming off. This seems to be coming off so over here. Some still there, but that's off. All right. Okay, let me let the customer know what's happening. Got all the overspray, well, road paint, that is.